Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about if f of x equal to 1 minus x squared divided by 1 plus x squared, then we need to show that f tan A equal to cos 2a. So here the given things is f of x equal to 1 minus x squared divided by 1 plus x squared. Then we need to show that f tan A. So I'm going to take LHS and here f tan A. So wherever the place x is there, so we need to replace by tan. So here we can write 1 minus tan A square A divided by 1 plus tan A square A. And there is a one formula, cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan A square A divided by 1 plus tan A square A. So we can write cos 2a. So here f tan A equal to cos 2a. Okay, it's proved. So it's very simple. You need to remember this formula. If you don't remember this formula, then we can make that a little longer. So after this, so here f tan A. So if you don't remember this, then you need to break this one in sin cos. So here for tan we can write sin by tan. So we can write sin square A by cos A square A divided by 1 doing the same with this. So here sin square A divided by cos A square A. Now if I take the LCM, 1 or cos A square A, the LCM come cos A square A. If I do the division 1 with cos A square A, the come cos A square A multiply with 1. So it come cos A square A. Here cos A square divide 1 come 1 multiplied with this. So here the value comes sin square A. The same thing here, this if I do the LCM, so value come cos A square A, and here cos A square A plus sin A square A. Okay, now here this is f tan A. There is one more thing. If you can see the form like this, p divided by q divided by xy. So we can write first pq, this y that go up, and x on the same position. So here the same thing. First we need to write cos square A minus sin square A divided by cos square A. This cos that move up, and in below we can write, first I'm going to write sin square A, next cos. So this going to cancel, and there is one formula, sin square A plus cos square, that come 1. So here finally we can see cos square A minus sin square A. The formula is cos 2a. Okay, so here this also prove f tan A equal to cos 2a proved. Okay, so if you remember this formula, then you can directly use this one, or if you make that little longer, so here just convert after this, convert this one sin cos, and you can get this one cos square A minus sin square A. The formula is cos 2a. So at least you need to remember this formula. Okay, the formula value is cos 2a. So this is the way we can here prove this kind of questions. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See next video. Thank you.